It's no secret that climate change is wreaking havoc on the world. But this year, that reality became even harder to ignore as floods, fires, heat waves, and hurricanes devastated global communities, and the UN's Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change issued a stark warning, reporting a code red crisis. These challenges have made the work of designers more important than ever. The 2021 Innovation by Design Awards, which honor creativity in business, highlight some of the unique ways that designers are approaching climate challenges. From sustainable electric vehicles to 3D printed homes, this year's IBD winners show how good design can address some of the world's most intractable problems. Here are 8 standouts. There's a housing crisis in nearly every major city in America, and homelessness is increasing at an alarming rate. In Austin, Texas, one development is chipping away at this problem by 3D printing homes for people who have been chronically homeless. Icon's homes are 400 square feet, require just 24 hours to print, and result in almost zero waste. They eliminate some of the worst problems with the construction industry and provide a scalable housing model, not just for Austin, but worldwide. It's hard to imagine sawdust having a robust second life, but that's exactly what Desktop Metals has done with its FORUST technology. Using sawdust and other wood byproducts, the startup developed a process to 3D print everything from furniture to bowls to luxury interiors. Electric cars are hot right now, but Polestar isn't satisfied with that one component of sustainability. Its Polestar 2 is made entirely out of ethically sourced materials, most notably a battery that uses responsibly mined cobalt. The US is decommissioning coal-burning power plants around the country, and these industrial spaces can be hulking, underutilized eyesores. Studio Gang reimagined an old coal plant in Wisconsin, turning it into a lively campus hub at BELOIT College, complete with a pool, cafe, and student meeting rooms. It even found a new use for the smokestack, transforming an exhaust pipe into a skylight. Helsinki, Finland has long, brutally cold winters, and to make it even worse, about half the city's heat comes from coal. One of the proposed solutions is Hot Heart, a series of deep cylindrical tanks that store heat in the Baltic Sea, functioning like a large underwater battery. The design goes a step further, adding domes above the water so residents can not only engage with the technology, but enjoy a tropical climate in the winter. People in the Western world are largely disconnected from the agricultural systems that grow their food. Studio ROOSEGAARDE wanted to give people a way to engage and make farming more sustainable in the process. Its massive light installation, Grow, is customized to individual crops' needs, helping them develop pest resistance and, well, grow. It launched with leeks in the Netherlands, but plans to scale with local crops in 40 different countries. In many parts of the world, electricity is still a luxury. That's where WaterLight comes in. The handheld device is powered solely by ocean water. Once it's filled, saltwater electrolytes react with the magnesium in the device and generates instant electricity. It's ideal for rural coastal communities like the one in Colombia where it was tested, providing up to 45 days of power, no recharging required. Hospitals are often seen as soulless, sterile facilities. Not so with WALDKLINIKEN Eisenberg, a new hospital built in the midst of a German forest. The circular building has a wood facade, rings of windows, and 52 verandas off patients' rooms. It's all part of an approach that prioritizes patient and visitor comfort and puts the healing power of nature front and center. While some long-term impacts from climate change are likely to be inevitable and irreversible, scientists advise that drastic reductions in emissions can stave off the worst impacts of climate change, and great design is part of that solution.